I see some people asking for an apology. We don't need an apology. They can choke on that apology. What we can do is swing this fucking election. I know. Sounds like I'm reaching and it's impossible, but the numbers, they don't lie. And of course, I'm not talking about my individual vote or yours. I am talking about Haitian Americans voting in block. I am talking about 1.1 millions eligible to vote in this country, 300,000 in the state of Florida alone. And you know how important Florida is in this election, don't you? And to be clear, this is not an anti-Republican message. I'm not here to tell you which party is better. I don't even believe in a two-party system. I'm an independent voter. This, however, is an anti-Trump message. This, however, it is an anti-JD Vance, Elon Musk, anti-racism campaign. Because they thought it's okay to use the Haitian community as a scapegoat. Because the issue of immigration is a very heavy one in this election. And how about we use these people who are disposable to push our propagandas? And I am just coming to tell you Haitians, you can give them a very, very powerful response. You can cost him this election. We literally can cost him this election. I really do hope you understand that. I really do hope you understand the power that you hold and how important it is not only to give Trump a message, but also to send a message to every politician that are making decisions that will be affecting the Haitian community or the foreign policies affecting back home. This is a message to say, don't fuck with Haitians. He's only doing that because we have not used that power. We are not united because the only time we do great things is when we are united. 1804. Why here in Brooklyn, 1990? It's beautiful. It's powerful. I'm looking at the pictures. This time, it would be more than just pride. It would be actual power shifting an election. Do you want to take that in for a second? This is not a joke. I really, really, really do hope that you get excited about this. That you start registering your great-grandparents who don't even vote. Your aunties, they don't vote. Because we know a lot of y'all don't vote. Now, whoever's going to vote for Trump, they're going to vote for Trump. Whoever's going to vote for Harris, they're going to vote for Harris. You, the Haitian American, you make sure you vote for Harris this election. He will lose. And addressing the Haitian Americans who were planning on voting for Trump in this election, you can be a Republican and not be a Trump supporter. I can understand that your values may align, with the Republican Party, and I have nothing but respect for that. I don't need to agree with it. However, you are not a cult member. You have critical thinking. You can use your brain. You can see between black and white. You are not a fanatic. And ultimately, you're not okay with somebody disrespecting you and your kind. Because if you are okay with that, I hope our ancestors choke you in your fucking sleep. And I do mean to be offensive. These people are literally coming here, working hard, boosting your economy, making your country richer and richer. They are being exploited. And you want to fuck with these hardworking people? And we don't do anything about that? I understand about your personal interests. I really, 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 really do. But you have to understand that your personal interests are connected to the interests of your community. That's what the Jewish community understands. If you really think Trump will protect your conservative and religious values, which part of Trump's life tells you that? You really think he cares about you because you're making a couple $1,000s more a month than the average people? That makes you identify as the 1%? Because that's the only people he's going to protect, honey. That's literally like Dominican's talking about, I know black. I am telling you, right now, we have one common enemy. Trump is literally our new Abinader. Abinader was like, oh, y'all can't do that. Well, like, you can tell us what to do. What do we do? Diaspora Elijah. Haitians in Haiti put together, and we did that canal. Elon Musk is on Twitter talking about, how they want to replace the American voters with immigrants. Let's prove him right. We can do that right now. You have been working hard in this country and you have earned the power of numbers. The Haitian vote being one vote? That's power. They are going to think about that black vote. Right? That l'union fait la force. But you don't know that. And that's why you are being disrespected. It's not only disrespectful, but it's dangerous. Have you seen what's happening in Europe right now? The Haitian kids, they will be bullied in school. The crazies over there, the racists over there, they will feel bold and empowered to attack these people in the street in their jobs. This is not a joke. This is evil. This is criminal negligence, making statements like that. He does not respect you. He does not respect your vote. And I really, really, really do hope you understand that and you act accordingly.